Thanks for joining us. Before we get started, be sure to follow our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.
Hi, my name is Justin Jenkins, and I am the Geographic Information Systems Program Coordinator for TransOptions, and I will be leading today's Lunch and Learn series. Now, today's presentation will be going over the Map It page. What is the Map It page? The Map It page is TransOptions' interactive mapping site. It visualizes the geographic data for transit-based services and amenities within the TransOptions service area. Now, our service area is up in northwestern New Jersey, so we're talking all municipalities in Morris County, Sussex County, Warren County, as well as the suburban areas of Passaic County, Essex County, and Union counties. The data is displayed on Google Maps, and the Map It page is the most viewed page on the entire TransOptions website. The features of the Map It page include park and ride search. For this example, we see there are a couple of park and rides that are along Route 46 and Parsippany, and a little bit below is Route 80. We also show bike paths. Here are a couple of bike paths in Randolph, in the Mount Freedom and Ironia areas, from Sussex Turnpike and over by Dover Chester Road. We also show traffic. So in this example, we show Route 24 going from Morristown through Covenant Station in Madison through Chatham. And we also show Route 287 up from Morristown down to the Morris County, Somerset County border. We also display bike features too. So in this instance, we show all the bike stores within our service area. So it goes up north to Sussex, down south to Summit, and all the way west out to Phillipsburg. We also display bus routes as well. So this is a route of the Lakeland bus, Route 46, going from Dover to Rockaway all the way out to the city. We also have free and overnight parking rides, and this map shows all the free parking rides within the service area. Another feature is the points of interest. Here are all the hospitals within our service area. Shuttles. We have 2 shuttle services on this map. So one shuttle service goes from Washington out west to Phillipsburg, and the other shuttle service goes from Washington east to Hackettstown. The Map It page shows train lines. So there are 2 train lines on this map. One train line is the Morristown line going from New York all the way through Hackettstown, but it goes through Summit, Milburn, Morristown, Madison. And the other train line is the Montclair Booty line, and it goes from New York to Hackettstown as well, but it also goes through Montclair, Boonton, and they both train lines meet up at Denville and go to Hackettstown. Service area and municipality boundaries. So we also show boundaries of the entire TransOptions service area, as well as the counties and municipalities within the service area. In order to find the Map It page, type transoptions.org/mapit, or if you're already on the TransOptions website, you can select the Map It link as well. The Map It link should be on the upper right side of the website. Once you're on the Map It page, we can look through all the features, and the first feature we're going to look at is the park and ride search. In order to see the park and rides within a specific area, use the search criteria. It's located under Enter Your Starting Location. First, you need to type the zip code, or you can select the county and check the municipality. Once you're done either or, select the radius of the search area. So right now it's set at 10 miles, but you can lower it down to 5 miles or increase it to 15 miles. 25 miles, and all the way up to a maximum of 50 miles. Once you've done that, hit search. Once you enter, the parking rides should appear on the page. In this instance, all the parking rides within a 10-mile radius of Morristown should appear on the map. Next is layers. To check out the data layers, check on the rectangles on the right side of the screen. So in this instance, we have parking rides, bike paths, and traffic status. The red check indicates the layer is turned on, while the gray X means the layer is turned off. In this case, the parking rides layer is turned on, but you won't see the layer unless you use the search criteria. However, the other layers will appear if you click on them. The bike pass layer will appear if you zoom in close enough. The traffic layer and remaining layers will appear regardless of range. Now we also have layer categories. Layer categories compose of a set of layers related to a specific category. To check a layer category, click on the gray box on the right side of the screen. In this example, we will use Essex County bus routes. Once you click on that, a set of layers should now be on the screen. Click on any layer and it will appear on the screen. So for this instance, I clicked on New Jersey Transit Bus Route 11, which goes from Newark through Montclair all the way up to the Fairfield area. Mapping features. You can also change the map on the screen. On Map View, you can add terrain, which shows the elevation of the map. You can also switch to satellite view. With satellite view, you can add or remove labels too. You can also make the screen a full screen, where you can click on the outer four corners, which should be up on the left-hand corner of the map. And if you want to go back to regular screen, you can click on the upper right-hand corner of the map too, but instead of being four outer corners, it'll be four inner corners. You can also zoom in if you click on the plus sign. You can also zoom out as well if you click on the negative sign. There's also Street View as well. To use the Street View, click, hold, and drag the orange man to any blue line or point. Once you do that, the street view of an area should appear. So for this instance, I clicked, dragged, and held the orange man all the way to a point up in High Point in Sussex County. And now I got a picture, a 3D view of that. And to return to map view, click on the left arrow on top. If you have any questions about the Map It page, contact me, Justin Jenkins, GIS Program Coordinator. My email is jjenkins@transoptions.org. If you like this Lunch and Learn video, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.